Join me for this quick 10-minute home walking workout to help you burn calories and boost metabolism, plus feel your best in just 10 minutes. Before we get started, did you download your Gentle Stride Guide? This is a beginner's guide to home walking that's going to help you start your wellness journey. I'm going to meet you back here, no fancy equipment, just grab something to drink, slip on your sneakers, and we're going to get right into it. Now to walk around Charlie, we're going to walk in place. So we have the 4 basic moves. This is our first one right here, right now. Make it happen. We're gonna walk in place, just get the heart rate up, get the body moving and warm. I am so excited that you decided to press play and take a little walk with me and my dog Charlie. My name is Emily. I am a registered nurse, a yoga teacher, a passionate women's health advocate, and I help folks here online just feel better, more confident, build strength in their bodies, especially in the second season of life. If that sounds like your jam, you have landed in the right spot. So 4 basic moves. Let's make it happen today. You got this. Next move is gonna be a knee lift. Knee lift, so we're just lifting and lifting. Maybe you wanna get the arms involved. Let's just go for both arms in the air right away. If you are working to improve balance, this is a great move for that. You might have a chair or a wall close by. Maybe you just reach one arm to the sky today. See what works for you. That's the beauty of home walking workouts. You make them your own, right? So listen to your body, take your time. We're here for 3, 2, 1, walk in place. If you ever get hung up on a move, come back to the walk in place right here. Check in with your breath. Where's your breath today? Notice just how you feel in your body today. You feel tight or tense, nice and loose. That's what we're working towards, right? There's no right or wrong, just noticing, meeting yourself where you are today. Great job. Let's get the upper body going a little bit more. Extend your arms and then just give me a little arm swing, open and close. Nice job. It's a beautiful fall morning. The trees are starting to change here. I'm just enjoying this weather so much. It's about 70 degrees still outside. I know that won't last forever, but we'll embrace it while we can. We're here for 3, 2, 1. Release, shake it out. I'm walking here in my own backyard. I live in a small town in West Virginia, USA. I would love to hear where you're walking, where you're joining us from. Get to connect with folks all over the world, which has been such an amazing journey. Nice job. Next move, give me a kick. Alternating kicks. One and then the other. Nice job. When we do this 10-minute walk, maybe you reach opposite hand out towards opposite toes. In this walk, we can expect to walk about half a mile, which is super amazing. Move your body in a joyful way every day. You know, if it's just for 10 minutes or 5 minutes or 30 minutes, you said yes to your health, and that's a great gift to yourself. Here we are, 3, 2, 1, walk in place. Oftentimes the hardest part is showing up for yourself, right? And you said yes. You said yes, you committed to this workout, and you're gonna make it happen. So I am very proud of you. Go ahead and take our next move. It's a side step. Just a single here, side to side. Nice job. Hopefully you are feeling warm. I certainly am. Maybe you sink your hips back a little bit, but we always make this workout our own. So if this is bothering your knees or your hips are a little achy, you can not go as deep. Maybe you just take a gentle side step side to side like this, or if you're feeling froggy, go for it. Big steps for 3, 2, and 1. Let's go back to the walk in place. So proud of you. Charlie, you probably can't see him. Maybe he's walking that way, but he is my little rescue dog. He's about 12 years old, 12 years young, I should say. He tries to come to all of our walking workouts. He's been such a nice little buddy. All right, let's add a new move. Start with a little toe tap. So we're gonna tap a toe, tap a toe. Nice. And And then you could have a chair in front of you for balance. If you want to get those arms up, raise the roof, we'll reach both arms to the sky. I consider this a little modified jumping jack. Nice job. Keep going. Catch a little wave here for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go back to a walk in place. Really great job. About halfway through this workout already. You can see how fast this goes by. Time flies when you're having fun. And boy, have I had fun with these workouts. I've been home walking with my mom. We started about 20 years ago and we just never stopped. Now we walk together, you know, a couple times a week sometimes. Really been great way to stay active, burn fat calories, stay in shape, and have a great time doing it. Nice job. All right, guys. So from here, we're going to step 1 foot forward, give me a little lunge, and then step back, and then other side. So alternating lunges, slow and in control. It's not so much about how many of these we do, it's more about the actual exercise. Little step back or step forward, bend down, come back. Your degree of motion here. So your knees might not be bending as much as mine, they might be bending more than mine. Just make it work. Nice job. I'm going to count us out for 4, 3, 2, last one, and then go back to your walk in place. Get the arms involved. Start with the feet wide and then fingers up towards your shoulders. Reach up, down, out, and back. Up, down, out, and back. When we take our feet wide like this, we're activating some deep backside muscles. So I call them the muscles of independence. I'm gonna keep our backside muscles strong and healthy and active so that we can, you know, enjoy life. You know, easily get up from the chair to standing, from the floor to standing. We want to be able to do that in all seasons of life. And how do you do it? You stay strong. Here we are, 3, 2, 1. Nice, bring those feet together. You can release the arms, pump the legs, get going. Blow out that air, maybe towel off, maybe grab a little sip of water. Get the feet going a little faster. Let's go. Nice job, guys. If you've not done so after this video, please feel free to subscribe to my channel. New videos come out each week, and I love to share walking workouts. I do mini trampoline videos, yoga videos, anything to support women's health. Go ahead and take your feet wide. Then we're gonna do those knee lifts, but with the legs wide. So lift, lift. Maybe tap opposite hand to opposite knee. These are singles. Nice job. Play with that balance, coordination. The whole body is working, including our brain. Right? Both hemispheres of the brain are fired up, turned on, active for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Walk it out. We're coming up on 10 minutes. So proud of you. Go for the gold. Let's cross that finish line strong. Nice job. We're here for 3, 2, 1. We did it. You did it. You kicked butt today. You said yes to your self-care. You said yes to you. And I am so proud of you for being here till the end. Let's start to slow this workout down. Woo. Nice job. Be sure to hydrate after this walk. Take good care of yourself. If you're interested in some stretches, so post-workout stretches, I'll leave a video up in the corner for you. Nice job. And then start to ground through the feet. Let's just press the feet into the earth. Take an angel breath. Sweep both arms to the sky. Maybe you exhale, release the hands down. Do that 2 more times. Inhale, reach tall. Don't skip the cool down, guys. This is important. Release the hands down. And then 1 more time. And release the hands down by the sides. Nice job. Find a wall, find a piece of furniture, something like that. Stand by it. Go ahead and place a hand on it. Then we're gonna bring the other knee towards the chest. And then maybe just twirl your ankle around a little bit, one way and the other. Nice job, guys. And then we'll set that foot down. And then while we're here, give me some leg swings. Good job, buddy. So we're gonna swing the leg out and back in. Do your best to keep your pelvis as level as possible. So for me, my right hip wants to hike up here, but I'm actively working to keep my hips as level as possible. 3, 2, 1. Other side. So I'm just gonna switch around here. You make adjustments as needed. We're gonna bring the knee to the chest. Maybe loop a hand around the shin. Maybe you say, look, Mom, no hands, and float the other hand. And then maybe twirl that ankle around. A couple times one way and then the other. Then drop that foot. Give me that swing of the leg out and back in. Pelvis is level. Three, 2, and 1. Nice job. Plant the feet on the earth. Feel grounded, rooted in the heels. Take one final sweep of the arms. Angel breath. Inhale lots of love in. And exhale lots of love out. Extending all my gratitude to you for staying here till the end. And of course, if you are interested, please download my Gentle Stride Guide. That's a beginner's guide to home walking, and will give you a jump start on your health journey. All right, subscribe to my channel. I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.